Welcome to Module 3, Electrical Fundamentals. In this first video, we cover electron theory, the atomic structure behind every electrical effect, and why some materials conduct electricity while others do not. Every atom is built from three particles. Protons carry a positive charge and neutrons carry no charge at all, and both sit together in the nucleus at the center. Electrons carry a negative charge and orbit around the nucleus. In a neutral atom, the number of protons equals the number of electrons, so their charges cancel out. Electrons occupy shells at different distances from the nucleus. The outermost shell is called the valence shell, and its electrons are held least tightly of all. Because they can break free most easily, valence electrons are what determine whether a material conducts electricity well, poorly, or not at all. When an atom gains or loses an electron, it becomes an ion. Losing an electron leaves the atom with more protons than electrons, giving it an overall positive charge called a cation. Gaining an electron gives the atom more electrons than protons, giving it an overall negative charge called an anion. A conductor is a material whose valence electrons are so loosely held that they drift freely between atoms, instead of staying attached to any one of them. Metals like copper, silver, and aluminium are excellent conductors for exactly this reason. When a voltage is applied, these free electrons all drift in the same direction, forming an electric current. An insulator holds its valence electrons so tightly that almost none ever break free, which is why materials like rubber and glass block the flow of current. A semiconductor sits between the two extremes. Normally a poor conductor, materials like silicon and germanium can be made to release a controlled number of electrons, which is the basis for diodes, transistors, and modern electronics. Here is one for you to try. A neutral atom has 13 protons. How many electrons does it have, and what is its overall charge? Pause the video now. Read the question and select your answer. The correct answer is C. Protons are positively charged. Read the question and select your answer. The correct answer is B. Losing an electron leaves it positive. Read the question and select your answer. The correct answer is C. Free-moving electrons carry current. That completes video 1 of Module 3. Next time we look at static electricity and conduction. See you there.